In this video, I'm going to tell you guys something very interesting while you're using Blender. Okay, so today our main agenda is to know about what are normal maps. Second, why do gaming companies and animation studios use normal maps? Third, how to bake normal maps and apply it to your mesh. Coming to your first point, what is normal map? A normal map, if you have a normal map and if you apply it to your mesh, the mesh exactly looks like it is the high poly one, okay, without costing you any disk space or the render time. It will just take the same render time to render the normal mesh. So it sounds cool, and let's go to our second point. Point number two, why do gaming companies or animation studios use normal maps very much? So, gaming companies or animation studios pay attention to their details very strictly, because the game or the animation should look realistic. So they use the normal map to save time and to also save the disk space. If you take any game like PUBG, they they pay attention to their details, from a rock to the tree, from a character's backpack to the character. They'll pay attention to every detail. So they use normal maps and apply it to their tree, rock, anything, to make that mesh look like exactly it is the high poly, I mean the AAA quality. They make the audience feel like, oh, they done such a great work. Point number three and the last point, let's go to our computer, let's get into our computer and bake some normal maps and also apply those normal maps to our mesh. Okay guys, I have this basic dinosaur, okay, which is ugly. Okay, this is my low poly dinosaur. We'll add a multi-resolution modifier to it. Let's subdivide it 2 times or 3 times. Yeah, okay, it has become a high poly. I'm just kidding. We need to add some sculpting details to it. Let's go to sculpting and sculpt something or the other. Okay, like this is just an example, so I'm not going to make this a sculpting tutorial. Okay, I'll just sculpt something or the other. Okay, which is ugly. Okay, this is just an example. I'll shade it smooth. Wait. Oh, and okay, and after that I'm going to reduce the viewport value to, like, say 1. Okay, before that increase it again. If you did it, increase to 3 again. Before that, open shape and apply base. Okay, reduce the viewport value to 1 again, and after that you need to go to render properties and set this to cycle. Set the render value as 30 and go to UV editing. Tab to go to edit, object mode. Okay, create a new image named normal. Okay, set the values as 4096, 4096 and 4096. Uncheck the alpha, set the color as black, click on OK, and this will create a new image. After that, go to shading, go to shading tab. Okay, go to shading tab. This will just take some time. Yeah, okay, now shift A and add an image texture. Okay, I have added an image texture and I'll set this to normal and set this to non-color. Okay, and after that we're going to bake the normal. To bake it, we have to open bake panel and check bake from multi-res. Make sure this bake type is in normal. Okay, and click bake. This will bake our normal map. Okay, I'll select the normal map. Yeah, wait, I'll go to UV editing. I'll show you full screen. Yeah, there you go. You have your sculpting details. Okay, as you can see, you have your sculpting details. We're gonna apply these details to the low poly. Okay, how? We're gonna go to shading again, Shift A, and add a normal map. Normal map. Add a normal map. Connect these two colors, and after that we're going to plug this normal and the principal BSDF normal, and I'll just reduce this value. As you can see, there are these sculpting details, which is awesome, right? Are you thinking this is the high poly? No, this is the low poly. I'll just press on tab. See, this is the low poly. I hope you guys like this topic, and for that, please drop a like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon and set it to all, because whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. So please do that, and please share to your friends who are interested in these kind of topics. Let's end this video now. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Until then, bye.